Happy New Year! How was last year? Comment below. Did you have a great year? A fantastic year? Or did you have like an okay year? Or did you have like a shitty year? But this year, you promised yourself that you're gonna make it even better. Today, I wanna give you a gift. I wanna give you a gift of self-awareness. The gift of asking yourself some profound questions to make this year your best year ever. You see, most people, you know how that works. New Year comes, they're all excited. Now they want to set their New Year resolutions. Oh, I'm gonna do all these great things and I'm gonna make sure this year I get all my goals accomplished, right? They are very, very ambitious. Example, let's say New Year resolutions right after Christmas, right? After all the crazy dinners. You know what happens. Most people can say, this year I'm gonna lose some weight, right? I'm gonna set some fitness, some health goals. And here's what most people do. They get all excited. First thing they do, they join a gym. They sign up for a gym membership, and guess what? They go maybe a couple times for the first couple weeks, right? And then they buy that diet book. And you know how it is. They don't just buy one diet book, they buy 10 diet books. Anyone who buys one diet books, you can go to the library, you'll find that they have 10, 20, 50 diet books, right? Because in case this doesn't work, they'll buy another one. And here's another diet, it's another diet. But they sit there reading the diet books, eating chips, and they watch TV and say, you know what? That piece of equipment, what I need one of those treadmill. I need one of those things, man. I need some of those gadgets to put on my stomach that, would just give me some electricity that would give me the six-pack abs, right? They buy this widget, they buy that gizmos. Before you know it, they've got 4, 5, 6, 10 pieces of these equipments in their house. Then they become expensive dust collectors. Guess what? By the end of the year, they're still fucking fat. That's the issue. So New Year resolutions. You and I, we know what we need to do. We know we eat too much during Christmas. We know we don't exercise enough. You and I know exactly what we need to do. The secret to weight loss. Eat less, move more, or eat less, move your ass. It's simple, but we don't do them. So forget New Year resolutions. What do we need to do? Let's take money for example, because it's easy to talk about, it's easy to quantify. Let's say this year, and you say, you know what, Dan, I have a certain financial goal, an income goal. Maybe you want to make $50,000, $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year, $500,000 a year, or you know what, you say this is the year I'm going to make $1 million a year. Whatever your goal is, let's take simple math. $100,000 a year. Let's say make it even simple. 120K, let's take 10K a month. $10,000 a month. That's your goal. So don't use the New Year resolutions concept. Here's the concept I talked about in my book, F You Money. You can go get the book from Amazon, but I'm going to teach this to you right now. And that's the concept of DIG. DIG. It stands for Daily Income Goal. Daily Income Goal. So let's say you take $10,000 a month and you break it down, you divide it by 30 days. Each day you got to make about $340 somewhat dollars. Let's just round it up, $350. That's your DIG, daily income goal. $350 that you need to make every single day if you want to hit $10,000 a month. Now I want you to think about this. When you get up in the morning, the first thing that comes to your mind, the first question you have to ask yourself is, what am I doing today that will make me $350 today? What do I need to do? What do I need to focus on? What are my objectives? Am I hitting my daily income goal? What does massive action look like? What would Dan Lok do? Ask yourself those questions. Guess what? If you're not hitting your daily income goal, you are not hitting your weekly income goal. You're not hitting your weekly income goal, you're not hitting your monthly income goal. If you're not hitting your monthly income goal, you're not hitting your yearly income goal. You don't need to wait till December and you look at a calendar and say, oh, you know what? I screwed up. I am way behind. I'm nowhere near making $100,000. What is going on? I know exactly what's going on. You're not hitting your daily income goal. You can look at your progress every single day. What am I doing today to hit my daily income goal? Oh, well, I'm not doing anything today. Well, then don't blame and don't bitch when you're not hitting your goal. Oh, well, you know what? Today I'm excited. I'm fired up. I have hit my income goal. You know what? Not just that I exceeded my daily income goal. Instead of $350 a day, I hit $500 today. Good for you. Good job. That means you have that $150 buffer extra. That's good. Doesn't mean tomorrow you're like all slack off and slow down. It means, okay, I've exceeded that today. Because there's some days, maybe you hit it, there's some days you don't. You gotta average it out. Tomorrow, you get back into it, wake up in the morning. What am I doing today? What am I gonna do today to hit that $350? And what do I need to do every single day to accomplish my daily income goal? The concept of DIG, isn't it much more powerful than some New Year resolutions? Because when you're focusing on something so far away, instead of focusing on your daily activities, manage your daily activities to get the outcome that you want. You don't need to focus on the outcome. I don't need to focus on, I need to lose X amount of weight. I'm just look at your daily schedule. I look at your weekly schedule. I look at your monthly schedule. How much time have you allocated to work out, to go to the gym? Not joining a gym membership, going to the gym, the type of workout, the diet, all of that. You look at your daily activities and you don't even need to focus on the outcome. By the time New Year comes, you look back and you reflect, you know what? I'm so proud of myself. I've accomplished all my goals, maybe my health goals, maybe my financial goals, my income goals. The power of DIG. So forget New Year resolutions, set your DIG and watch. And you tell me, come back 12 months from now, come back to this video, comment below and see what difference that has made and see if this is gonna be the year that's your best year ever.